Save your time and money with my top 11 iPad Pro accessories. Hey guys, it's Jeff here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. So I've been using my 11-inch iPad Pro M2 for a few months now, and I'm surprised that I actually love using it every day. The iPad Pro is great, but I think it's also the accessories that makes the experience even better. But you see, finding the right ones can be tricky and could take a long time. But don't worry, in this video, we'll explore my top 11 essential accessories which I've tried already so you wouldn't have to. And make sure you stick around all the way to the end for my most favorite. Oh, if you're thinking, Jeff, you have an M2 iPad Pro. Will these accessories work with my iPad Air, or my new iPad Pro M4? Well, great question. I'm actually going to show you accessories in general terms. So hopefully they'll work for most of the iPads and even M4 version and up. Then I'll give you some examples from different brands that I trust so you can see what I'm talking about. I'll also leave the links below if you want to check them out after. Okay, so let's get into it. First up, a tempered glass screen protector. Hands down, this is a must-have to keep your iPad Pro's screen from scratching or breaking. The one I have here is by JE Tech, which I got from Amazon. It's a high quality 0.33mm thin tempered glass, which gives you an extra layer of protection for your screen. It's also very easy to apply, and it comes with accessories such as a cleaning cloth, a dust removal stick, and instructions. My advice is to get a pack of more than one, so you have a backup in case the first one breaks. By the way, the 0.33mm is important, especially if you want to get the next accessory. Which brings us to number 2, a paper-like screen to make you feel like you're writing and drawing on a piece of paper instead of a smooth screen. So the one I have here is the ESR Paperfil Magnetic Screen Protector, but another brand called Paperlike makes this also. The reason why I love this is because it's magnetic, and so it's detachable and reusable. It reduces glare and, believe it or not, fingerprints. It's also very easy to install. The only thing is that it can make your screen a bit dimmer. And my advice is to not rely on it as a screen protector because it's not as strong as tempered glass. Number 3, a folio cover. For me, it looks sleek, but also serves as a stand for my iPad Pro. And the one I have here is the Ugreen Cover Folio. It's slim and comes with auto sleep or wake functionality when you remove or put the cover back on the screen. My favorite is that it's super lightweight, and the angles I can choose from depend on how I want to choose my iPad Pro. For example, when I draw or write, I want the surface flat or slightly raised from the table or desk. When I'm watching a show, I want it to be more vertical. My next favorite is this strap that secures my Apple Pencil, which I find not many cases have. The downside is that it may offer less protection than some more rugged cases. Number 4, an Apple Pencil. Whether it's the second generation Apple Pencil or Apple Pencil Pro, I think it's a must-have for people who want to be more productive and creative. You can use it for drawing, sketching, coloring, taking notes, and more. It just feels like a natural way of expressing and interacting with an object that you can write or draw on instead of just using your fingers or keyboards. It's also seamless to use. It magnetically attaches to your iPad and has a great battery life. The downside is that the Apple Pencil is still prone to dropping, so it is easy to lose it even though it's magnetic if your case doesn't have a strap to secure it. The good thing is that the new Apple Pencil Pro now has a My Find feature in case you drop or lose it. And number 5, a headset. Although this iPad Pro has great speakers, I still prefer using a headset, especially when working at a Starbucks. For my headset, I honestly prefer using my Apple AirPods Pro to my bigger and heavier Bose headset. Number 1, because of the sound quality is so amazing. Number 2, because of the transparency mode and noise cancellation, they are just so cool. But it's also because it's very light and comfortable to wear for a long time compared to a headset like this, which is so big and heavy. And it automatically connects to my iPad too using Bluetooth like magic. I think the downside is that it's a bit pricey. And even though you can use your MyFind app to find it, it's still so easy to lose or drop compared to the old school wired headphones. And number 6, a USB-C hub, and the one I have here is the Ugreen Cover 7. I think that's how you say it. Honestly, for me, it's a game changer because it provides multiple ports for all your connectivity needs. It comes with 7 ports. One 4K HDMI, one USB-C with 100-watt power delivery, one 5 gigabit per second USB-C, two USB-A 3.0, one SD and TF card reader. It's ultra slim and can fit in your backpack or sleeve, making it easy to carry around. The downside is that it can get a little warm with extensive use. Number 7, a tablet holder like this, which can improve your ergonomics when working on your desk. I use this a lot in my office so I don't have to hold my iPad all the time. This one is actually from Ugreen. It's light and sturdy and has an aluminum body. My favorite thing is that I can adjust the viewing angles with no problem. I suggest getting the right color for your tablet or the one that you prefer. It comes in 3 different colors. I wish I chose a black or silver option because I don't think this gray one matches with my desk setup. And number 8, a strong travel case to keep your iPad extra safe while keeping your accessories organized at the same time. And this one is from a company called TomTalk. Peace of mind for an expensive tech is so important to me, and the shell of this case is thick and hard enough that it passed the military standard drop test, which I find really cool. And as a bonus, this also comes with lots of storage for your iPad cables, USB hub, Apple Pencil, cards, real pens, notebooks, and more. You also have velvet fabric here to keep your iPad from scratches, which is a great touch. 2 things to keep in mind though. Number 1, this might be overkill if you don't have many accessories. Number 2, I don't think you can fit a 13-inch laptop here, but you can easily fit this inside a backpack because it's small enough. And number 9, a battery bank to charge your iPad, especially when you're away from an outlet. Because iPads are designed to be so portable, you'll likely be away from an outlet a lot of times when using them. This one is from Anker, which is a brand that makes a lot of battery banks and other cool accessories. And this is the Anker 325 power bank, PowerCore 20K, which comes with 20,000 milliamps. It has a slim design, so it's easy to travel with, fast charging capability with its Power IQ and voltage boost technology, and even has a trickle mode for low power accessories. It has a light indicator to show you how much charge you have left. It has 2 USB-A ports, so you can charge 2 devices at the same time. And the best part is that you have 2 options for charging it. You can use a micro USB or USB-C cable, which adds versatility. The only thing to keep in mind is that this adds a bit of weight when you're traveling. And number 10, a solid state drive or SSD for extra storage and to easily transfer large files from your tablet to another computer. This is the T7 from Samsung, which has 2 terabytes of storage. I've been using it for about 2 years now and have no problems with it. It's fast, compact, and has a shock-resistant design, which is really super cool. The downside is that it's a bit pricey, but the transfer speed is almost 10 times faster than the typical external hard disk drive, which makes it worthwhile. And last but not least, number 11, a tablet keyboard. I thought I wouldn't need it at first because an iPad should be an iPad. It shouldn't replace my laptop or desktop. But I've been using my iPad so often because it's so fun to use, for example, when writing scripts for my videos like this or updating my budget and calendar. I found that typing is actually still faster for longer content. But the challenge was to get something that could easily transform into a tablet without an awkward design. But in the meantime, I decided to get the Logitech Combo keyboard. I love it because the keyboard and touchpad are great and you get the shortcut keys compared to the old Magic Keyboard. It looks like Apple just released the new Magic Keyboard though, and they finally got it right with shortcuts. What's special about this though is that you can magnetically attach and detach the keyboard from the tablet while keeping the case on your iPad, and you're not touching the keys when it's in this mode. It offers a great typing experience and has a backlit keyboard. The only thing I'm not a big fan of is that it does add some extra weight, so just be aware that your iPad will not be as light once you add this. So tell me, what's your favorite iPad accessory? Or which one are you getting next? Please write it in the comments below, I'd love to know. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Up next, make sure to watch my top 8 favorite productivity and creativity apps that are really improving my life as a creator, and it should be here once it's available. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one. Keep on creating.